Hey y'all, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this wig sent to me from Megalook hair. Like always, just in case you guys are interested, check below in my description box because down there will be links and everything to this wig just in case you want to purchase. Yes, check out the haul. I will forever love this shirt, not getting rid of it. So this wig right here is their 13x6 lace balayage body wig. I do have it in 28 inches and it's 180% density. Y'all, this wig is pressure, okay? This wig is everything to me, like the length, the texture. Now the texture is body wave, but I did go in and bleach the knots and I plucked a little of the hairline. The hairline already came pre-plucked, but the knots did not come bleached. So this is basically the hair in its natural state once it's air dried. So if you do decide to purchase this wig, it is going to come in like a body wave texture until you wash it, and then of course, you know, body wave hair, you lose that texture, honey. So if you do want to keep the texture of the body wave look, then you know, don't wash it, period. So anyway, the only thing I don't like about this wig is the transparent lace, but I slowly got over it. I just added my finishing powder and then I topped it off with my Godspeed glue just so it can blend in a little better, and I think that it did the job because it was so light, like it wasn't blending in the way I wanted it to, and this wig was already like laid, okay, like it did not come to play. Now before I applied the wig, I did go ahead and part the wig on the side, and I also did some swoops, not even baby hairs. I didn't really want to cut any baby hairs in this wig just because the like the hairline was given. So I just went ahead and added those little swoops on the side for when I wear it again, just in case I wanted to pull it up and like showcase the hairline. Yeah, but I did do all of that off camera just to cut down some time for when I do apply this wig, just because, you know, it cuts down time. So it's not really much to this wig, y'all. Like, it was already laying. The density is like a really good density. If you wanted to add curls in here, I still feel like it will be full, and if you wanted to wear it straight, it just looks so good, and it was so easy to straighten. I straightened it with my flat iron, but y'all, let me tell y'all, I stopped right here. Like, I brushed it, I got dressed, and I left out the door just because it still looked good to me. So this is me after I came back in the house and I resumed the video because I did want to straighten it just to see what it was about. And wearing it all day, it did get a little tangly, but it was easy to detangle, and most of the tangles was of course in the nape area, and it did shed a little bit, but I think it's because the color, it's not OD sheddy, but it definitely shed some. And y'all see right here, like it literally was nothing for me to straighten his hair. It straightened like a charm. So yeah, I really don't have no complaints about this wig. I definitely love this wig. But if you're not a fan of transparent lace, I would definitely you know, turn the cheek on this one, because I don't know. But if you are lighter skin tone, like I always say, you can definitely get away with the lace because of course it's going to blend in better. But yeah, y'all, like, and this wig was so long, it's just given, honestly. Like, it's so long. This is 28 inches. Girl, you see where that's hitting? It was long. I felt like it was 30, but we can go with 28. It's cool.
You're so cute.
Y'all see that? Look at that. Like, that looks nice. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, if you are interested, the links will be in my description box. I should have a coupon code down there as well, just in case you guys want some money off, of course. And I do think they offer, like, you know, the installment payments, just in case you don't want to pay for it at one time and you want to spread your money out a little bit. I get it. So yeah, this is it for my video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Look at Tootie, y'all. He's so cute.